Ladies and gentlemen, today I got the beautiful honor to shoot this Porsche 964 Turbo S, and the cool fact about this is that I never thought that I have the possibility to drive one of these bad boys cars. I mean, for real, the Porsche 964 Turbo was Will Smith's car in the movie Bad Boys, and excuse me, I'm sweating, I'm wet. So, and today we got a perfect, beautiful, sunny day, no clouds, not perfect for photography. So, now some facts about the car. This is a beautiful 964, which were made only 1,437 pieces of this beautiful 3.6 liter engine, air-cooled of course. And this is one of the last 75, like the 75-year party of Porsche, one of the last 75 cars which were built 1993. And yes, this car was at the exclusive manufacturer from Porsche and got some special interior pieces. Green light. So hot. We are driving to Zuffenhausen, to the place where this car is born, and this car got a pretty big turbo lag. Full throttle, 2,000 RPMs, 3,000 RPMs, 4,000, and that's it! Guys, you just need to say, driving a Porsche brings some magical moments into it. Can you hear that? This was BMW M4 Coupe, but it wasn't stock at all. He told me I got around about 550 horsepower with stock interior. What a sound! This turbo lag is out of this world. I mean, for real. You're waiting, you're enjoying, and you're enjoying, that's the fun fact. And then it happened. So quickly, you need to manage how this car wants to be driven. And I'm most likely more the calm driver. I mean, I like to drive fast. I mean, of course, really fast on the track, but for real, I mean, this piece of art is absolutely gorgeous and great and beautiful, and one of its last of its kind. I mean, in this configuration, the car, there were only built 11 types with this interior, and this car exclusively was one of the last 75 cars in 1993. And for example, the exhaust tips with the quad pipes at the end, I think this was some preferences of the owner of this car. The wheels, I mean, I love the wheels, and like in this part, I mean, I love it when some polished and some matte parts you can see on the car, like on the wheels, and there are much more. The characteristic, the sound, and of course it's so embarrassing nearly to say I could drive this car the whole day. It's so comfy. It got power steering and electrical seats that you can adjust them, and I mean, it's just classy. Everybody is smiling, everybody is giving me also a thumb up, and it's great. Like on the previous video, the people were pretty kind, and I mean, I think the society love Porsche. I mean, for real. Old classic air-cooled Porsche.